Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we shall look at the Evonex foundation review, and in this video we are going to find out whether Evonex is really legit or it's a scam. As you can see, I'm on the official website of Evonex skincare innovation. As you can see, this is their official website, and on their official website you can get their products. So they claim to have products that can make your skin look younger and younger the more. Alright, as you can see, the first product over here costs around 29 euros, second one 28 euros, and this is the Evonex for Age Defy foundation. So this Age Defy foundation basically makes you look younger. As you can see in their advert here, they say this is how this person was looking like, but then after using the Evonex foundation, the person was looking a bit younger, as you can see. Alright, so we won't judge them over here, but we shall go ahead and look at some more details about their products that they offer. So to look at the details, we shall look on this website over here. That will give us the advantages and also the disadvantages of using the Evonex foundation over there. And we shall also be seeing the ingredients that are found in the Evonex foundation or in the Evonex foundation skin product. As you can see, some of the advantages is that it matches all skin tones over here, so it doesn't really discriminate in any skin color. Whether you're dark skinned, whether you're brown, whether you're white, whatever, it doesn't discriminate. And next advantage, it helps in anti-aging. Okay, it makes you look younger, and it also makes you hydrate your skin, so your skin has a lot of water. Second, the price, this one is a disadvantage because it's a bit expensive. All right, so clicking down here over here, want to see some of the reviews by the individuals that have been using Evonex. But of course, on this website, won't see reviews, but we shall go ahead and look at Trustpilot. As you can see, this is how the products look like. The Evonex products look like this. This one costs 29 euros, as I said. This one 40 euros, and it's a popular one. So let's go ahead on Trustpilot. And on Trustpilot, unfortunately, the Evonex beauty product, the one which claims to give you anti-aging skin, doesn't have any rating at all. So this basically means these people are either new in the market or they haven't really got that much customers. So basically, there's no rating, there's no review, there's no comment. So this is a red flag because you can't just go into something that you don't see any comment. So this means either this product is new on market, and of course, giving it a try would be a bit of a risk because you're not sure of what it is. So according to me, I don't think it's worth giving a try at the moment. However, I won't say it's a scam, but it's a 50-50. To be honest, it's not that legit because you can't see any reviews over here or any comments. But if you want to give it a try, then it's a 50-50. But for my case, I wouldn't advise you. Alright, so guys, that's the review. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.